Hey everyone, this is Dimitri Pragmatic with MarketChameleon.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find holdings of an ETF. And let's use SPY ETF as an example. I'm going to type in SPY here in a symbol box. Let's click enter. And when we're on the SPY main page, come down here, it says ETF info. I'm going to drop it down and select holdings. And ETFs, of course, are made up of certain underlying assets. In SPY, that's the S&P 500 ETF. That is made up of the S&P 500 constituents. And as we see here, these are the SPY holdings. We have a bunch of stocks that make up the SPY. There are 500 stocks in the S&P 500. And you could see here, we have a list at the top. It's sorted automatically by the highest market cap stocks. So Apple makes the top of the list, and that represents 5.97% of the holdings in the ETF at this moment. Of course, this is a cap-weighted index, and it's going to change as the market caps are changing throughout time. But here we have the next one, Microsoft. As you could see, that's the next one down. That currently is 5.2% of the weighting in the entire ETF. We also have a couple different historical performance to look at if you're interested to see what stocks in the ETF are performing well, what stocks are underperforming. So for example, let's take on a 2-week basis. If we click on that, we could sort it. Let me do it again here. So far on a 2-week basis, the Warner Brothers Discovery, Carnival, Western Digital, those are the top 3 performers in the S&P 500. Maybe we want to see what has been lagging in the last year in the SPY. So let's take a look at a year back, and I'm going to click on here. Coming down here, we see a couple that made the list that are down more than 60%. As BNY, Signature Bank, Tesla made the list down 66%, and so forth. So that's really quick to look up the holdings in an ETF. Type in the symbol, go to the holdings, and then you get a better picture of not only what the ETF is doing, but what are the components, the holdings in the ETF. What are they doing? What are the holdings? How much weight is each stock represent in the ETF? Hope you guys liked that video, and see you in the next video.